Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We're still out of town for the holidays, but I did make sure to bring stuff like sunscreen and moisturizers to make videos. Next, we have the Insta360. I really love it. It did great when we went heli skiing, got a ton of cool footage, but I've been seeing things with overlap where they have speed and stuff in the video. I want to try to figure out how to do that. Let's do some research. Okay, looks like we need some sort of GPS device like a Garmin. I think Apple Watches also work. Luckily, I have my Fenix 5S that I use for running. On the Insta360 website, all it says is record, sync data. I think that's it. Let's go skiing. Awesome day skiing. I thought this would be a cool spot to film because the sunset's going down right now. Here's my Garmin app going to sync data. I also have Insta360, try to get a variety of video today. We'll see how they look, and the app here need to connect. I'm gonna mess with the settings and hopefully edit a video soon. Good morning. Yesterday, I was so focused on getting good footage on the Insta360. I was not paying attention to my Garmin watch. There wasn't any good data to sync over. I was also a little worried that the editing software was going to be hard to use because I'm normally not good at these things, but there is a stats button, very easy to press into and get into your Garmin. So today we are still skiing. I'm gonna be paying attention to this, make sure the GPS is synced and recording data the whole day so we can try to get that overlay. Let's go ski. Awesome day skiing. I wanted to get the purple sunset again. I am here and trying to sync the Garmin data. It is not working still. It says check if data has been synced. The Garmin is looking good on here. It has miles, speed. Gonna mess with this. If I can't figure it out, we still have tomorrow. Good morning. Hopefully third time is a charm. I am comfortable recording data on the watch. I am comfortable recording data on the camera. When I was doing research last night, I think where I was running into problems is I need to sync these two before I start recording. Let's go skiing. Any ski day is a good day. I don't think it's as purple as yesterday's sunset. I pretty much gave up tracking with the watch. Can't figure out how to get the data on here to over here. I now track directly with the phone. So in the future, if I ever want to do this again, I would just get the data directly from the phone. Now we go to stats. I could play and there's all these stuff on here now. Pretty useless, but kind of cool. Excited to make more videos. Video 324 done.